In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number to your HubSpot account quickly and easily. Whether you're brand new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this simple process will only take a few minutes to complete. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click the login button. This will take you to the HubSpot login page. Enter your account credentials, your email and password, and click log in. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive on your HubSpot dashboard, which is your main control center for all your marketing, sales, and service tools. Now, to add your phone number, locate the settings icon. You'll find it in the main menu. It looks like a small gear symbol. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the settings area where you can manage various details about your account. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a list of categories. Scroll down until you find the option labeled phone number or account information, depending on your HubSpot layout. Click on it to open the phone number management section. Here, you'll find a field where you can add or update your phone number. Simply click into the field and type in your number. Make sure to include the correct country code and follow HubSpot's formatting guidelines to avoid any issues. If you're unsure about the proper format, HubSpot usually provides a quick example or tooltip right beside the input field. Once you've entered your number, take a moment to double check for accuracy. Make sure every digit is correct, as HubSpot may use this number for verification or communication purposes within your account. When you're confident that everything looks good, go ahead and click the Save or Confirm button to apply the changes. After saving, your new phone number will be linked to your HubSpot account. Adding your phone number can help enhance your communication options within the platform, especially if you're using HubSpot's calling tools or lead management features. It ensures that calls, notifications, and automated workflows can connect seamlessly to your contact information. If you ever need to update or remove your number later on, simply return to the same settings section and make your adjustments. HubSpot makes it easy to edit your account details whenever you need to. And that's it. You've successfully added a phone number to your HubSpot account. I hope this quick tutorial helped you set up your account with ease. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more short and practical tutorials on mastering HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.